Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing very, very unique blowing conch. It is Lord Shiva's Mount Kailash blowing conch. It is very unique collection, only one piece in the world like this. Say back side of the conch. You can look in the shape of Mount Kailash, and it is made as a blowing conch. You can blow this conch. It is like a sound from Mount Kailash. When you blow this conch, it's like a sound from Mount Kailash. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It is an extremely very unique collection. Lord Shiva's Mount Kailash blowing conch. It's a back side, a very very unique formation. You can never see in any conch like this. It is like just one piece in the world collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Beautiful conch. Lord Shiva's Mount Kailash blowing conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.